Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cocktail cherries. Making your own gourmet cocktail cherries is surprisingly simple and elevates any drink. You'll need about 1 pound of fresh or frozen cherries, 2 cups of sugar, 1 cup of water, and 1 cup of your favorite spirit like bourbon or brandy. For extra flavor, consider a dash of almond extract or a cinnamon stick. First, wash your cherries thoroughly and remove all the pits. Now, let's create the delicious syrup that will infuse your cherries with flavor. In a medium saucepan, combine 2 cups of granulated sugar with 1 cup of water. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly until all the sugar crystals have completely dissolved. If you're using whole spices like cinnamon or star anise, add them now to infuse their aroma. Bring the syrup to a gentle simmer, then immediately remove it from the heat. With your syrup ready, it's time to add the stars of the show, your pitted cherries. Carefully place about 1 pound of cherries into the warm syrup. Now, pour in 1 cup of your preferred alcohol, like a good bourbon, brandy, or maraschino liqueur, stirring gently to combine. Return the pan to low heat and simmer for approximately 3 to 5 minutes. This brief simmer allows the cherries to absorb the rich syrup and alcohol, preventing them from floating later. Once your cherries have simmered, remove them from the heat and let the entire mixture cool completely to room temperature. This cooling process is crucial for flavor development. Next, carefully transfer the cherries and their luscious syrup into clean, sterilized jars, ensuring the cherries are fully submerged. Seal the jars tightly and refrigerate them for at least 24 hours before serving. These homemade cocktail cherries will last for several weeks in the refrigerator, ready to elevate your next drink.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.